great, honor to be here with you all, and the kind of energy I am feeling. I mean, hats off to you. The performance which we just witnessed, it speaks volume. Just 208 students, and it appears each student is participating. Kudos to the management, to the teachers, and to the students. For the first time, I am getting this kind of vibrations in a place like Leh. My relation with Leh is quite old. 2004, I was at a place called as Tanse. I'm sure most of you have heard about it. I was a captain, and they came up with a really, that time people used to ask for hand pumps, greenhouse, those kind of things. And suddenly counselor came and he said, we want to have a ice hockey equipment. So I was also stunned. It's a new field to me. Finally project was sanctioned, and so finally the project was dropped, and next day it was told that next year ultimately we got it done. So that's the relation with ice hockey and Opsat Bhavna. And as far as there was a mention that we should continue the collaboration along with under Opsat Bhavna. That movie Chakde, I'm sure you must have seen it. I saw the music performance here. And there's a scene in the girls about to play the final match there in Australia. They gave a call and they said कि अभी हम आपको आके वहाँ पे आपसे और रोटी बनवाएंगे. And the person who was in Delhi,